താരങ്ങളും തൂവള്ളി കതിർച്ചിന്നും തുങ്കമാവാനിൻ ചോട്ടിയിലാണെൻ്റെ വിദ്യാലയം. ഇന്നലെ കണ്ണീർ വാർത്തു കരഞ്ഞിടിനവാന ഇന്നിതാ ചിരിക്കുന്നു, പാലൊളി ചിതറുന്നു. മുൾച്ചെടി തലപ്പിലും പുഞ്ചിരി വിരിയാറുണ്ട ചെറു പൂന്തോപ്പിലെ പനി നീരുരയ്ക്കുന്നു. മധുവിൻ മത്താൽ പാറി മുളുന്നു മധുഭങ്ങൾ. മധുരമി ജീവിതം ചെറുതാണെന്നാകിലും.
Hello everyone. The pandemic COVID-19 has impacted our school education system in a big way. Online classes have replaced real classrooms, and it's a huge challenge to all the stakeholders to come to terms with this new change. Thanks to the efforts of Samadhi, our teachers have been trained well by our master trainer Mr. Vishnu Sadesh, TGT English, who had been earlier trained by Samadhi. And he trained our teachers on the digital platform, the Google Meet, for taking their online classes, and his training session was quite impressive. Our teachers responded admirably well to this challenge, and they have put in lots of efforts to take their online classes, and they have integrated their teaching with the appropriate PPTs, animations, activities, assessment tools to make their classes interactive and lively. There was a bit of a struggle from the students' side in the beginning, but gradually they are getting accustomed to this new way of learning. Of course, we do have a few issues like non-availability of gadgets, poor connectivity in the case of a few students, and we are trying our best to sort it out. But altogether, considering the overwhelming response from many quarters, I can declare that implementation of online classes at JNV Ernakulam has been a huge success.
Namaste. We have started our online classes from 17th June 2020. All the students, teachers and parents are happy with the arrangement. This is a new experience to all of us, but we are managing it very well. I am sure that this latest mode of teaching learning process will benefit the students to great extent. Thank you.
crisis management during this COVID-19 pandemic. Online teaching is very much useful for the students, and teachers are very much comfortable with this new system of education.
In these extraordinary times of COVID-19, I've joined Tuty via e-joining and continue my online classes with effect from 10th June 2020. Work from home is a new experience which has proved that education can continue, come whatever may be the situation. And the response from students have remained with same vigor and enthusiasm. However, this cannot be substituted for classroom teaching. For the reason, the slow learners require more attention and care. But none can deny the fact that it has provided the ambience towards further learning. Thank you.
ऑनलाइन शिक्षण हमारे आज के समय की एक सबसे बड़ी सच्चाई के रूप में सामने आई है, जब हम कक्षाओं में विद्यार्थियों के साथ रूबरू नहीं हो सकते। इसमें अध्यापकों के लिए चुनौतियां तो हैं कि हम उस तरह से ट्रेन नहीं है, फिर भी हमें उन चीजों के साथ समझौता करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन अध्यापकों के लिए एक अवसर की तरह भी है कि वो अपने स्किल्स को, अपनी क्षमताओं को इस तरह से बढ़ा सकें और नई चीजें सीख सकें, ताकि भविष्य में भी कभी इस तरह का कोई अवसर और आए तो इन चीजों को बरतने में, इन चीजों का प्रयोग करने में कभी कोई दिक्कत महसूस ना हो।
The virtual classes are as good as real classes, but I personally prefer real classes. I feel that the face-to-face interaction that we had with our teachers in real classes, we are missing that really in this online classes. And many students are not able to attend these online classes fruitfully due to many problems like low internet connectivity, lack of appliances, etc. And teachers are showcasing their best with PowerPoint presentations, videos and images of each and every chapter. So we are able to understand each and every chapter very clearly.
We are happy for the new videos and the interactive sessions which really do increase our interest in the subjects. However, sometimes we are not able to attend the classes because of rain or some connectivity problems. We are able to cope up with it only because of the teachers who is working hard behind this. I am grateful to my school and believe that these online classes will really help us. Thank you.
I'm a board class student and I find it really helpful because of the teachers who respond so quickly to the doubts and are providing us with all the latest study materials by which we are able to prepare for the exam better. Online tests and assessments are done by which we are able to test our skills too. I think this change is good and I'm really grateful for all the efforts made. Thank you.